Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my avocado mask and conditioner, and also in this video I'll show you guys how I apply it. Please continue watching. Things I will need for this mask are avocado and then any oil of your choice. I'm using neem oil, so I go ahead to cut the avocado into two parts. If your hair is very thick, you can use the whole avocado. I'm using the whole avocado because my hair is very thick, but if your hair is thin, you can use half of the avocado and then go ahead to use your blender to blend this. Or like I'm doing, you could just use your spoon to mash this and mix this properly till it turns into a puree. Because it's very soft, it was kind of easy for me to use my spoon to just mash this. And then next I'm going to add my oil to this. I will leave the measurement below, so go ahead to check down below for the measurement. I'll then go ahead to mix this until it's smooth. The mask is ready. Next I'm going to be stepping into the shower so I can just go ahead to do my normal wash day routine. I first pre-poo my hair with my homemade onion juice. I have a video on that already. I start with rinsing out the pre-poo from my hair with lukewarm water. Here I'm just applying conditioner on my hair because today I'm doing a co-wash on my hair and not my normal wash with my shampoo. I did my pre-poo on my hair in sections, so I twisted all the sections, but here I'm just unraveling the sections because I feel like co-washing my hair will be easier that way. I go ahead to massage this into my hair and then wash my hair as I would normally do. After rinsing off my hair and my hair is thoroughly clean, I go ahead to apply my avocado mask on my hair next. I'm applying the mask in sections. I'm applying these masks as I would normally apply my deep conditioner. After applying all of the mask in all the sections of my hair, I go ahead to massage this into my hair. As you can see, I exhausted all the mask, so I just massage this into my hair. After massaging this into my hair, I go ahead to put on my cap, my shower cap, and then leave this in for a few hours. After a few hours, actually I think I left this in till the next day, I went ahead to wash out the marks from my hair. After thoroughly washing out the marks from my hair and making sure my hair is thoroughly clean, next I'll go ahead to moisturize my hair with my leave-in conditioner and also my oil. I'm moisturizing my hair in sections, so I'll go ahead to apply my leave-in conditioner and my oil, then detangle that section and then go ahead to twist up the section. Can you see the way that twist is looking juicy? That's what the mask does for the hair. It softens and nourishes the hair. So I'm just going to go ahead to moisturize my hair in sections for all of my hair. After moisturizing all of my hair, I go ahead to massage all of this into my hair. And that's all for my wash day routine. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next video.